Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at these wireless earbuds. Now, this is the case for the earbuds right here, and if we take a look at the bottom of the case, you'll see that it does have that USB-C charging port there. Now, they do include this USB-A to USB-C cable here to charge up the case, and then the case actually charges up the earbuds. I also wanted to mention that they do include some earbud tips here if you want to go ahead and change or adjust the size of those earbud tips, but let's go ahead and just open up the case and you can see those are the earbuds right there on the inside. Now, if we actually go ahead and lift one out and then put it back in, you'll see that there is a battery indicator here on the front of the case that shows their charging level, which is super nice. But let's just go ahead and pull one out and show you what it looks like. You can see it has a nice ergonomical shape. It fits in my ear really nice and easy. And I've been really impressed. They are really nice and lightweight. Now, guys, I have to tell you, the audio quality is really impressive for this type of earbud. I've been super impressed. It has really nice, clear, crisp audio in my opinion, and I really like the nice deep bass notes that I can get from these earbuds a lot. And for that reason, I highly recommend these wireless earbuds. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.